This is the brochure that has come from Bihar Animal Sciences University, BASU, for undergraduate, master's and PhD degree programs. So this video is going to be very interesting and very important for those aspirants who want to study in Bihar Veterinary College, Patna. So the notification for 2020 to 2021 has come, and every detail that is required for admission is discussed in this video, along with the bond that you need to sign if you get admission here, the application form you'll have to fill, the eligibility criteria, the seats, and everything I'll be discussing. So welcome to my channel, the Palatoscope. And Bihar Animal Sciences University, that is BASU, Patna, was established with its headquarter at Patna by an act of Bihar state. Okay, the main things now I will be discussing is the constituent colleges are Bihar Veterinary College, Patna, that is the veterinary college, and the dairy colleges Sanjay Gandhi Institute of Dairy Technology. There is a fisheries college too, College of Fisheries Kishanganj, and the undergraduate degree programs. If we talk about the veterinary degree, is called Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, as you all might be knowing, BVSC and AH. So the eligibility for a general category student is to secure 50% aggregate marks in English, physics, chemistry and biology, and higher secondary or intermediate, that is in 12th or equivalent examination from any recognized board or council, while candidates belonging to scheduled castes or tribes, that is SCs or STs, or other special category of students as specified by the government from time to time, requires 47.5% aggregate marks in those subjects. Candidates are admitted on the basis of marks obtained in National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that is NEET, as we all know, conducted at national level by NTA. Counseling process for admissions will be conducted by BCECE board, that is Bihar Combined Entrance Competitive Examination Board. Total number of seats are 60, out of which 15% seats, that is 9 seats, will be filled by All India quota by the Veterinary Council of India based on merit and NEET. So these students will not require any domicile. 9 seats do not require any domicile. They will get admission on the basis of marks from NEET. And seats filled through counseling by the BCECE board requiring the domicile are 51 seats. So application procedures are is as follows. All students who desire to take admission in BVSC and AH degree course at Bihar Veterinary College and appeared in NEET 2020 conducted by NTA advised to visit this website, noted down, http://bceceboard.bihar.gov.in or http://nta.neet.nic.in for further details information. Now another important thing, there is a surety bond that you'll have to fill. I'll be telling more about that. Talking about dairy, I'll not go into details, but for dairy there are 30 seats available, and for fisheries there are 40 seats available. For postgraduate degree programs in MVSC also, the notification has come in the same brochure. So it is showing that you would need 60% marks in BVSC and AH for general students, and for SC or ST it requires 55% to be eligible to apply for MVSC. The seats available in respective departments are like this. You can screenshot it so you can see for your future references. So this is the seats available in each department. Okay, so yes, now I will be okay. Now selection criteria. Selection to all master's degree program will be made on the basis of scorecard of ICAR All India Entrance Examination PG 2020. The candidates will have to opt the subject at the time of counselling based on seat availability and reservation policy of Bihar government. Merit list shall be prepared among the candidates applied to get admitted into degree programs. Cutoff marks is 40% for SC/ST, and for all other categories it is 45% in the merit list of ICAR competitive entrance exam. In case of tie of marks, performance at bachelor's degree level examination will form the criteria. So main criteria is the scorecard of ICAR PG, but in case there is a tie, then your bachelor's degree marks will be considered. For PhD program, these are the seat availability in each department. As you can see, there are total 25 seats, and the requirement is 70% marks for general candidate or any other candidate except SC or ST, and for SC or ST it is 65% marks or 6.5 OGPA out of 10. And selection criteria would be again the scorecard of ICAR All India Entrance Examination. And the candidates will have to opt the subject at the time of counselling based on seat availability and reservation policy of Bihar government. Cutoff marks for SC/ST is 40% and 45% for all other categories in the merit list of ICAR competitive entrance exam. So yes, the university reserves the right to increase or decrease number of seats in different disciplines without any further notice. The category wise distribution of seats would be as per the reservation policy of government of Bihar. Now for admission procedure, all candidates who desire to take admission master's and PhD degree programs at Bihar Veterinary College, Patna and Sanjay Gandhi Institute of Dairy Technology, Patna, their admission will be made on the basis of scorecard, as I already said. This is again written here. Accordingly, merit list will be prepared and later on counseling will be done. So these are the important dates that you must note, or you can screenshot again. So the application form is already live from 17th November to 10th December. Last date is 14th December for receipt of application forms in the office of registrar through registered or speed post or courier only. Date of first counseling is 21st December, second is 28th December, and date of admission is 2nd January. Date of commencement of instructions, that is studies, will start from 11th January. Next, application fee, if we talk about, for masters it is 500 plus 35 postal charges, that is 535 for general, and for other it is 250 plus 35, that is 35 is postal charges, that is 285 total, and for PhD it is 735 for general, and other castes it is 385. The demand draft should be in favor of finance controller, Bihar Animal Sciences University, Patna, payable at SBI BVSC campus, Patna. Now this is a declaration that you'll have to give regarding the code of conduct that you should be following. Then you should know that 75% attendance is necessary. Then you should not join any agitation or strike. Then you should not do any ragging as such. And one important thing is, if you leave study midway due to any reason before completion of your BVSC and AH program, you will have to refund the total drawn amount of stipend from the college along with a pay of a sum of rupees 3 lakh as a penalty to get your CLC or migration certificate. So you'll have to give your stipend from the college that you're getting, and along with 3 lakh rupees as a penalty if you leave the college in midway. Okay. And yeah, your informations that you are giving, if it is not correct, then also your admission can be cancelled. These are few declarations that you will be giving, and the guardians will be giving the same declaration regarding the bond. So yes, and this is the application form. As you can see, this will have to send through courier and other options that they have given. So yes, this is the application form for different courses. So hopefully this video was helpful for all of you, and I have discussed the brochure in detail but briefly, so that it saves your time and tells you all the important informations that are needed. So hopefully this video was clear to all of you, and all the best. I hope whatever college you want, you get that, and all the best, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you guys. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, people. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.